Hey guys, welcome back to Try This DIY. My name is Alan. In today's video, we're going to review the Rio Beach Cart. So let's go ahead and dive in.
If you're like me, then you're the pack mule for your family, and this is a great item for you. It can hold up to 100 pounds worth of gear when you bring everything you own to the beach. It has a place for chairs and a large center area that can hold toys and even a cooler. The heavy-duty mesh is tough and will dry very quickly. It's supported by a tough steel frame that can hold up to years of use, kids hanging off the side, and also being left out in the elements. There's also a pretty large top compartment that you can use to keep items you don't want sandy or to keep them dry. Another feature I love is it has a place specifically for beach umbrellas. I've even used it for multiple umbrellas at one time. The cart itself is very easy to push on hard surfaces like a boardwalk or even in a parking lot. The extra wide wheels make it easy to pull in the hard, compact, or even soft sand. It's made to pull backwards like this in the sand. The wheels also help you do this, which has helped me multiple times on beach trips. It's also pretty easy to pack up. All you have to do is pull these knobs and fold it together. Then you can push this red lock together so it will stay packed nice and neat. For its size, it packs very compact. It fits into the back of most vehicles, which helps when playing Tetris with all your luggage. We've had our beach cart for 4 years now and it's still going strong. I think this is a great investment for any family, especially if you're the one who's having to carry all the stuff to the beach. Check out some of our other beach videos here. Also, let me know if you've used this cart and your experience, and then feel free to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.